Welcome to this demonstration on EMT-D deployment on Edge node. In this walkthrough, we're going to create a bootable USB drive using Rufus. Begin by inserting a USB drive with at least 8 GB of space into your computer and launching the Rufus application. Once Rufus is open, select your USB device from the drop-down menu. For boot selection, click and choose your EMT-D 3.1 ISO file. You can leave the image option as default or select Standard Installation. When choosing the partition scheme, select MBR if you're using a legacy BIOS system, or GPT for modern UEFI systems. Set the file system to FAT32, which is recommended for compatibility. Click Start to begin the process, and if you see a warning that all data on the USB drive will be erased, confirm to proceed. Wait for Rufus to complete the process, and once it's done, safely eject your USB drive. Your USB drive is now ready for EMT-D 3.1 ISO installation. To begin the installation, insert the USB, restart the device, and boot from the USB via the BIOS menu. As you can see Edge Microvisor Toolkit, it is loading now. Once the system boots, you'll be prompted to choose between the terminal installer or the graphical installer, depending on your preference and environment. Select Graphical Installer method and continue install. Next, select the type of ISO images as shown. Then, choose the target disk, partitioning method, and skip disk encryption. Now, create a username and password, and keep the default hostname. Click Install and wait for the installation process done. This flexibility allows users to tailor the installation to suit their specific use cases, whether it's for AI inferencing, virtualization, or lightweight orchestration at the edge. The Edge Microvisor Toolkit 3.1 has been installed on your Edge node, as you can see the status of completion. Now, the system will automatically reboots and boots from hard disk, as you can see. At this point, your device is now ready to use. To verify the installation, open a Tamina and run the OS Image ID. This will display the installed version and confirm that the setup has been successfully flashed. Now we move on to installing a few essential tools using the built-in package manager, TDNF. In this demo, we showcase the installation commonly used utilities. Git, for version control. Nano, a lightweight text editor. And Tmux, a terminal multiplexer for managing multiple sessions. To install these, run the command as shown. This command pulls the latest versions of these packages from the configured repositories and installs them onto the system. Next we move on to the Edge AI Suite demo. In this walkthrough, we'll guide you through the process of setting up and running the Metro Vision AI application for loitering detection. We begin by reloading the System Service Manager and restarting Docker to ensure all recent changes are applied. Next, we download the latest code by cloning the Edge AI Suites repository, and then move into the directory where the Metro Vision AI application recipe is located. Some installation steps may require higher privileges, so we switch to the super user. We then install the loitering detection module and configure it to communicate with our target server, making sure to replace the IP address with your own server's address. With the installation complete, we launch all required services in the background using Docker Compose, and then initialize. With these steps completed, you are now set up and running the Metro Vision AI loitering detection demo. To wrap up, this demo shows how easy it is to install tools using TDNF, a fast and simple package manager, and run Docker all within the plug-and-play EMT environment. Thanks for watching the demo.